today we're doing a quick review of OpusClip Pro, which is #1 AI video clipping tool. Now you can transform your long videos into 10 viral worthy clips in minutes. With OpusClip, you can create and publish engaging shots across all social platforms with just one click. So say goodbye to hours of editing and hello to 10 times faster content creation. Now, here it is. Why, you might wonder, why OpusClip? In the era of short-form content dominating social media, OpusClip Pro emerges as a powerful AI-driven tool to help creators and marketers transform long videos into engaging platform-optimized short clips. With its array of cutting-edge features, OpusClip Pro streamlines video editing, maximizes content reach, and ensures high-quality output tailored for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and more. So here is a dive into the key features of OpusClip Pro that makes it the go-to choice for video repurposing. The first feature we're looking at is AI highlight detection and virality score. Here you can find your best moments automatically using this AI highlight detection and virality score. The next feature we have is the clip anything and prompting, where you just tell the AI what you want and you get the exact shots you need. The next feature is one-click branding, where you get animated captions, fonts, and templates on autopilot. And the fourth feature we're going to look at is social scheduling and auto posting, where you can plan and publish to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Lastly, team ready. You can share workspaces, collaborate, and scale content output using this feature of OpusClip Pro. Now, OpusClip Pro is made for creators, agency, and brands. We have the OpusClip for YouTube Shorts. That is the first one here, where you transform long YouTube content into punchy shots with auto captions and on-brand layouts. To generate, just click here. Then we have OpusClip for TikTok and Reels for vertical framing, jump cut, polish, and pasting tuned for TikTok and Instagram. Then we have OpusClip for podcasts and interviews, where you can turn hour-long podcasts into 10-20 viral-ready clips with speaker detection and topic discovery. Then lastly, we have OpusClip for agencies and e-commerce for batch processing, brand kits, and social scheduler for always-on content. So that's it. What are you waiting for? Start your free trial today. If you want to know how it works, check out our next video.